How to delete Instagram account. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and log into the account you want to delete. After you do so, simply tap on your profile icon available in the bottom right corner of your screen to go to your profile page. So now, once you're on your profile page, tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen to go settings and privacy. Then tap on the account center option available on the top. Then inside account center, tap on the personal details. Scroll down and there you'll get to see personal details. Now once inside the personal details, all you have to do is tap on the account ownership and control option available there. After you tap on it, simply tap on the deactivation or deletion. Then continue by tapping on your profile. Then you can see two options, deactivate and delete. We are deleting, so tap on the delete and continue again. Now after you do so, Instagram will ask you why you are deleting your Instagram account. Simply tap any you can relate to. Here I am tapping on something else and continuing. Now all you have to do is enter your Instagram password and your account will be deleted successfully. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.